Namaskar. This International Yoga Day 2020 will be a significant milestone in the journey of bringing the yoga practices to the world as it was begun officially by the UN and inspired by the extraordinary vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji some years back. I am so happy to see that Daji and Yoga Rishi Swami Ramdev ji have come together on this occasion of International Yoga Day to present the Ashtanga Yoga or the full practice of yoga as per Patanjali in an unprecedented example of unity and harmony between the yoga gurus and traditions. This unity is the hallmark of our value and Indian tradition. Together, we will rise and bring yoga to the world so that community, unity and immunity become the new standard for all. Join me in celebrating this Yoga Day through the various campaigns launched by the Honorable Prime Minister.
Namaste. Let me begin by congratulating the entire team of Heartfulness Institute for organizing a virtual global event of music, meditation and yoga on the occasion of International Day of Yoga on June 20th and promoting physical and mental well-being, especially at a time when the world needs it more than ever. Heartfulness is doing commendable work by promoting physical and mental well-being through meditation. Prime Minister Modi, in his last Mann Ki Baat talk, underlined the need to explore yoga for community, immunity and unity. I congratulate Heartfulness for getting such a large participation from all over the world and making the theme of 6th International Day of Yoga, that is Ghar Ghar Se Yoga, Yoga from Home, a successful one. Be healthy, be safe. Happy International Yoga Day.
My warm greetings to all of you on the occasion of celebration of International Day of Yoga. As all of you know, yoga is an important part of our culture. It is invaluable gift to humankind. Yogasan is an exercise for the body and meditation is an exercise for the mind or brain. If we do this regularly, let's say daily, for about 45 minutes, it will orient oneself towards the comprehensive health development. The theme of this year's IDY, the International Day of Yoga, is YFH. YFH is basically yoga from home. So yoga helps us in integrated health development, that is unity of body, mind and soul on one hand and thought and action on another hand. So I take this opportunity to convey my heartfelt thanks to Heartfulness for promoting and propagating yoga, and their theme is compassion is contagious. Thank you so much.
Welcome to this wonderful webinar being organized by our very dear and respected Daji and his entire team. We all know we are approaching the International Day of Yoga, June 21st. In his wonderful speech, our Prime Minister gave the holistic perspective of yoga saying that yoga is not merely some asanas or pranayama or mudras, bandhas, kriyas or meditation. It's a way of living. It's the science of holistic living, I call. Well, I hope that this International Day of Yoga is going to be a totally new dimension and bring all the people all over the world together and see that it becomes the biggest success in the whole history. And with the blessings of Daji and his millions and millions of followers throughout the world, with hundreds and hundreds of centers all over the world, the International Day of Yoga celebrated in its wonderful excellence will be a great event that is going to take place, and it's going to show the changes in the global consciousness field which we are going to record. So Daji, we are so delighted that your team is working so wonderfully to make this IDY a big success, and I wish you all the best and best success for this great event that you are organizing, Ekta ji and all the people. Dhanyavad. Thank you.
Namaste. Namaste to you all. I am happy to know that my Heartfulness family is organizing a biggest virtual event on yoga, meditation and music, where the great yoga masters and musicians are participating. This is being organized under the able guidance and mentorship of Daji. I am happy to note that Puja Swami Baba Ramdev ji is also participating in it. And definitely it's going to be one of the biggest events of the 2020 International Day of Yoga celebrations. So the theme chosen for this virtual event was very appropriate, Yoga for Compassion.